Welcome to today's Python code challenge. Can you guess the output of this Python code? You will have 30 seconds to choose the right answer from the 4 options. Type your guess in the comments. Take a moment and think before I explain the answer. First, we set x equals 5 outside of any function. This means x is a global variable, accessible from anywhere in this script. When we define my_func, we use the global keyword with x. This global x declaration tells Python that when we refer to x within my_func, we're not creating a new local variable. Instead, we're referring to the x that was defined outside the function. Inside my_func, we set x equals 10. Since we declared x as global, this modification affects the global x, changing its value from 5 to 10. After calling my_func, we print x. Because my_func updated x globally, the print statement outputs the new value, 10. So, the correct answer is B, 10. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.